The debate is raging again. This time, more than 100 scientists have questioned the authenticity of the much hyped Lancet study. After the Lancet report, the World Health Organization has decided to suspend HCQ trials. The study had said that the drug increased the risk of death. Now, the Lancet Medical Journal is itself concerned about the findings. Hydrochloroquine was called a miracle drug and then a potential killer. What changed the verdict was the Lancet study. It claimed HCQ led to a higher risk of death and caused an irregular heartbeat. Soon, the drug's fame evaporated. The WHO suspended HCQ trials. Now, more than 100 scientists have questioned the Lancet study that called the drug dangerous. The Lancet Medical Journal has also alerted its readers. It is like a retraction of an incorrectly made comment, and now serious scientific questions have been raised. Rightly put, it's an expression of concern. The journal is now commissioning an independent audit of data, but the scientists want the WHO to carry out the checks. The Lancet study involved 96,000 COVID-19 patients spread across 6 continents. It involved patients from as many as 671 hospitals, with 15,000 patients given doses of HCQ. The study found patients with a greater risk of dying. They were also at higher risk of developing abnormal heart rhythm. Now the question is, what made scientists doubt about Lancet study? The haste which was conducted analyzing data, writing the paper, and peers review, all completed in 5 weeks, much faster than usual. The authors have refused to identify any of the hospital that contributed to patient data or the name in the countries where they have located. A data scientist have even called the study fabrication of data. Moreover, one of the authors is also founders of Surgisphere, which is a Chicago-based medical data analytic company. The study entirely relied on the data provided by the firm. Now, the affiliation has come to the scanner. The Lancet Medical Journal had to issue corrections after they got the death toll wrong. However, the WHO acted on the report and suspended the study of hydrochloroquine. India strongly opposed the suspension of trials. The Indian Council of Medical Research has consistently backed the use of hydrochloroquine. ICMR studies have shown the positive effect of hydrochloroquine as a preventive drug. In a recent study, ICMR found that hydrochloroquine with personal protective equipment together cut COVID-19 risk by 80%. Essentially, ICMR findings are contrary to Lancet study. Studies in India found no side effects other than nausea, vomiting, and occasional palpitation. The drug has been in use for nearly 100 years in various avatars. It is also used for some other diseases such as lupus, rheumatoid, arthritis, and type 2 diabetes. The drug's uses and dangers are well known. As ICMR said, right dosage and monitoring should do the trick, but let's place our trust in the scientific community to tell us more. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.